Hello guys, this is your guy Oluwafemi Mekitari, your #1 online entrepreneur. Alright guys, so I want to show us how to upload a news app, the right way to upload a news app. Yes, a news app. So I want you to follow me step by step. Just follow me bomba to bomba. So I want you to follow me closely so that you will be able to upload your news app. Yeah, and it's going to get verified, guys. It's going to get verified. So now I want to be sure we know how I arrived here, right? So we are here to create our app, and this is the Google Console account, and I click on the app name right now. So let us name our app all news updates. All right, so all news updates, right? All right, so is it an you can change this later install settings. So it is an app. We click on app, right? Is it free or paid? It is free. We are not collecting a dime from people. It is free. All right, so I confirm this or accept this, and I create app. Click on create app right here. Click on create app. So our app is being created, guys. So now the next thing I want to do is to set up our app. So you scroll down to click on set up your app. Click on set up your app right now. All right, so the first thing we are going to, after clicking this, so let me show you again so that you see view task. So the first thing we want to set up is our privacy policy. Set privacy policy. Click on set privacy policy. Okay, if you are joining us for the first time, I've already shown you how to set up privacy policy before. If you don't know how to set up privacy policy, just go to this video. Just check this video 3 here. Check this video 3 here. You will see how to set up privacy policy, how to set up your create your screenshot for your app, how to create your app icon, and how to create your app banner. The tutorial is here. Just come and watch this video. So after that, you can come back to this video and continue from where you stopped. So I've already created my privacy policy and everything. So I don't want this video to be long. So I will just put my link and everything there. So I've input my privacy policy URL. So I'm going to click on save right now. I'm going to click on save, guys. All right, it's saved. So I will go back to dashboard. Go back to dashboard so that I can continue. All right, so the next thing is app access. You can see app access. I click on app access. All right, so they said if part of your app are restricted based on login credentials, membership, location, or blah 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 blah, make sure this information is kept up to date. All functionality is available without special access because we are not actually restricting anything. So we click on save here. All right, that is done. Let's continue. We go back to dashboard. Under set your app. All right, so 2/10 is complete. So we click on ads. Right here. Click on ads. All right, so does your app contains ads? Check the yes, my app contains ads. Yes, because that's why we are making this video. We want people to see ads and click on ads, and we make money. Yeah, it's as simple as that. There's no sin in that. All right, because the kingdom needs finance. So content rating. Click on content rating right here. All right, so you click on start questionnaires. Receive ratings for your app from official rating authorities. Yes, start questionnaires. Click on start questionnaires. All right, so the email address right here. This email address is the email address that we use to contact you from your PlayStore. Anyone that's checked your app. And also when you reply reviews, it's not to show your emails, it's going to show your email. So you will use your official email here. So I've input the email I want to use as the official email. So they said app, I'm a category, games, no, social communication, no, all other app types. I'll be using all other app types. So, and that is all. I click on next. All right, so they said all other app types. Downloaded app. Does this app contain any rating relevant content section? No. So everything here will be no. Actually, user content. Does this app natively allow users to interact? No time for nonsense. Does the app feature or promote content? No. Content that isn't part of the initial app download? No. Promotional or sale of age restriction production. Does this app focus on promoting or selling items or activities that are typically age restricted, such as cigarettes? No. We don't do that. We are children of God. All right. Does the app share the user's current and precise physical location? No. Does the app allow users to purchase digital goods? No. Is the app a web browser or a search engine? No. Is the app primarily a news or educational product. Now look at here. Look at this place. They said, is the app primarily a news app or educational product? Click on no. Click on what? Click on no. Yes, I will tell you the reason why we are clicking no, guys. So then I save. Alright, so now that everything has been clicked and everything has been saved, so I want to go back. Next. Click on next. Alright, so this is our next. This is the next page, and this says summary, your rating, Brazil, all ages. So now they're just giving us the summary of everything. That I just want to click on submit. Click on submit right here. Yeah, so everything is complete. Everything has been completed. So we want to go back. To the dashboard. So click on dashboard there. So that we can continue with what we are doing. Alright, so set up your app. We are on target audience. So click on target audience right here. You have to watch all this, watch everything, so that you not make mistake. Now they said age. So I want to target 18 and over. Because young people they're not accustomed to watching. Okay, let me click 13, 16 and 18 and over. It doesn't matter, but let me just click it like that. I love clicking 13, 16 and 18 and over. But in case you don't really want to, your app is for adults, just click 18 and over. The reason why I click 13 to 15 and 16 to 17 is because the app I'm uploading, some young people or some little ones can still learn from the app, even though we are telling them it's not an education platform. And the reason is because news app always have a problem. They used to reject news app. So that's why I'm teaching us this way, the best way to actually promote. So now to upload it rather. So now click on next. So can you start listening on intentionally happy to children? So I will click on no. Here, or let me click on yes here. So the safer side of this particular page is to click on yes. So they said not designed for children, but if it's a game app, it will be advisable to click on no, because children love to play games. So but this one, it will that's why the 13 to 18 does not really matter. It doesn't really matter. But now I will just click on yes. I'll click on yes, then I'll click on next. So they said, so they gave me the summary, then I click on save. I click on save. Alright, so after clicking on save, I go back to dashboard. Set up your app, and I want to click on news. This is where the problem used to lie. So I click on news here. So is your app a news app?
Sweet dreams are made of living. Who am I?
Is our app a news app? Actually, if you want to look at it from the perspective of what is inside the app, we can call it a news app. But if you want to avoid the trouble of Google Play Store, I would say no. Yeah, if it's a news app, you have to be if you click yes, you have to be producing all these informations, and most of the time they don't really agree or they don't accept this information. So to avoid this, I want to click on no. Then I click on save right here. So let's see if what we did will work. If it will, that means that we accept our app, they will publish our app for us. So go back to dashboard. Guys. Alright, so COVID-19, this and that. My app is publicly available. My app is a publicly available COVID-19 contact tracing app. For example, an app. So just click here. My app is not a publicly sorry, this place, just click my app is not a publicly available COVID-19 contact tracing. Yeah, so don't let me make a mistake. Alright, so this is what we are clicking here. Then we save. My app is not a publicly available COVID-19 contact. Then we go back to dashboard. Here. Alright, so the next one is going to be data safety. Click on data safety, guys. Alright, so this is data safety. Let me pause. So this is the data safety page. So we want to click on next. Alright, so does your app collect or share any of the required user data types? No. Is all your user? We click on no. Is your app currently certified by an authorized lab according to the mobile application security? No, actually, no. All right. So this place I click on yes. You can click this to understand what they are talking about, but I used to click yes. So I click yes here and I click next. See, we know all these things now. It's not everything you have to be followed. I mean, it's not everything you have to be disturbing ourselves, Jerry. Come on. So here we can see this is the summary of everything we've entered so far, and we click on submit. We submit right here. Submit right here, guys. Alright, so changes have been made. Let's go back to dashboard. Guys. Alright, so now the next one is manage how your app is organized and presented. Select an app category. So just click here. That's the next thing we are doing. We are setting up our store right now. App or game. Okay, it's an app. So category, because it's a news app. Want to select news and magazine. Yeah, that is where this will actually appeal to what we selected before. This will appeal to what we selected before. So news and magazine, guys. News and magazine. Alright, so we click on tags, manage tags here. Manage tags. We want to select our tags for our news app. Alright, so our tags will be on sport. It's not on sport, it's not on social, blog and social. You can click blog and social because it's related to news. So business, you can click on business. We can click on education, drivers education / education. You can click on e-reader, education. You can click on education here. All right, so all right, guys, so I checked a news and magazine here, and I made some adjustments because you can only tick 5. Yeah, you can only tick 5. So I ticked e-reader, education, and which one again, and blog. So those are the 5 I ticked for this news app. Then I click on apply. Guys. So these are the steps and these are the things. So these are the things we have to put in place. The email address here. So I told us about the email that will be shown on PlayStore. This is the page. This is the page for that. This is the page for that. I made a mistake there, so I'm still going to use the same email, though. I'm still going to use the same email here. All right, I've input my the email and the phone number. I'm not putting anything on the website, and this is going to be checked. Then I save, guys. All right, we are making progress, guys. So your changes have been saved. So we go back to what? We go back to dashboard. So we just click back here, just back, so that I can resume back to dashboard. All right, so let's continue. Set up your store listing. So we want to set up our store listing right now. All right, so under store listing, we want to scroll down and check app name. App name is what it is. Please check that the app name is compliant with the following Play Store app metadata policies and all that. Should not use keywords that indicate store status or program. So we just want to call it all news updates. So short description, I'm going to put in my short description. Short description should be what you want people to know about your app, and the full description is also going to be there, guys. I don't want to be prolonging all this like this particular stage. If you don't know what to put here, watch my video. Watch the video I showed you just now. Watch that video. That video is full of everything you need about uploading your app on Play Store. The reason why I'm making this video is just for people that don't know how to upload news app on Play Store. So that's why I'm making this video. So I don't want to be going over and over to explain this thing. If you want to know how to do your short description and your full description, just go and watch that video. Guys. That is part 3 of Admob to words. Guys. Alright, so I've input my full description and my short description here. So I want to click on app icon. I've shown you how to create app icon. All these things I've shown you on the other video. Please go and watch the video. Admob to words part 3. This video is loaded. That's why it's long. So the video is loaded. Just watch the video for more understanding, guys. Watch the video for more understanding. So I want to upload all this now. When I upload them, I'll be back, guys. So the app icon has been uploaded. Now I'm going to click on this right now. Alright, so this has been uploaded. So it remains the screenshot. So the screenshot is what you see. Go and watch that video. I don't want this video to be very long. I don't want it to be too long, guys. So go and watch that video. You understand everything. Alright, so my screenshots have been uploaded here. My screenshots have been uploaded. Alright, so tablet, I don't have anything to do with all these ones as long as I click save and I'm able to save. So let me click on save right here. Alright, changes have been made. Changes have been made, guys. So I can now go back. I can now press back, guys. We are making progress. We are making progress. Good progress, guys. We are making progress. So the next thing is, alright, so now it is time to release our app. So we come to release our app. We click on view task. So we want to select the countries we want to target, and obviously we are targeting all countries, guys. We are targeting all countries. So now, guys, we want to come to release your app. We want to come to release your app here. I will click on what? So now, guys, we want to publish our app on Play Store. So we come to publish your app on Play Store, on Google Play Store. We click on view task. We click select countries and regions. Select countries and regions, and we are targeting all countries. Add countries and region. So we are selecting all. Let it pop up first. So we are selecting all. Just click this one. So once that is clicked, you can click add countries / regions. Click on add here. So that anyone around the world can easily access our app for download. Alright, that has been clicked right now. That has been clicked right now. So we go back. Let's go back. So the next thing is what? Create new release. Click on create new release. So you click on create new release here. So when we create new release, we will find ourselves here. So this is where we are going to upload our app bundle. That is going to be the AAB file. So we are going to upload our AAB file here. So click on upload. So let me locate my AAB file first. Alright, this is the AAB file of the app. Here. So I'm going to select this AAB file right here. Alright, so let's wait as it uploads. So the release details is going to be all news updates. So I'm going to leave everything like this. So this one is going to be all news updates, and I'm going to leave this one like this. So I'm going to save and review release. So after saving, I click on review release. So I click on review release, guys. So that's it, guys. So your news app is going to be accepted. It's going to be updated, guys. Yeah, guys, and now our app has been accepted. It has been accepted. It's now active. Our news app is now active. So if you want to really confirm if it's active, just click on this view on Play Store. So once you click on view on Play Store, it should be able to show you your app. If it's not active, it will not show you, it will not open like this, but you can see that it is now open and it is live. So that is how to run it, that is how to do it, and that is how to go about it, guys. That is how to go about it. Our app is active now. So just follow my steps and everything is going to work for you, guys. This is your guy Oluwafomi Makadari, your #1 online entrepreneur. Catch ya, guys.